Hey, what's up guys? Guys, as you are already aware, like we were doing some kind of giveaways as you have recently achieved milestone on YouTube. You have recently crossed 1000 subscribers on YouTube. So we were doing some giveaways for that and there was a registration form for it and we have received a huge response. We have a list of participants from the registration form. So guys, in today's video, we'll be selecting 3 lucky random winners from the list of participants and the process will be so transparent guys. We'll be using wheel of names to select 3 random winners from the list of participants. I will be sharing the process with you guys as well. So let me just open the wheel of names and there will be the list of participants there. Okay. Alright guys, so you will be able to see the screen on the left side of the screen, and as you can see we are having list of participants here and this is wheel of names. Okay, so let me just select first lucky winner here. Okay, so I am clicking on the wheel. Okay, alright, so our first winner is, the Twitter username is Praveen Goli 19. Let me check if he's following us on Twitter to just verify the entry. Okay, so here's Twitter. Okay, let's search for Praveen. Alright, so Praveen is following us, so he has registered for the giveaway and Praveen is one of the lucky winner. So let me just select another one and we will be sending you a message on Twitter personally just to confirm your entry. So congratulations Praveen, you are the first lucky winner from the list of participants. Okay, so let's check out the next one. So we are back on wheel of name. Let me just remove Praveen's name. Okay, alright guys, so the Praveen has been removed from the wheel of names. Now we'll be selecting the second lucky winner from the list of participants. Okay, so let's click on the wheel again. Okay, alright, who is it? Okay, so the second winner is Astha Gulati. So let's check it out on Twitter if Astha is following us on Twitter as well. So here's the Twitter and let's go back and search for Astha. Here she is. Alright, so Astha is also following us. So Astha will be getting the swag from Salesforce Bolt. Astha is second lucky winner from the list of participants. Congratulations Astha Gulati. Okay guys, so let's check out the third winner who will be getting the cool t-shirt and the coffee mug as a swag. So let's spin the wheel for the last time now. Okay, fingers crossed. Alright, so the third lucky winner is Pradeep. Okay, I know this guy personally because you know he has been following my post on Facebook and Twitter and he's a good guy. Okay, let's check out his Twitter profile. Alright Pradeep, so you are one of the 3 lucky participants and you will be getting the swag of the t-shirt and the coffee mug also. So these were the 3 lucky winners guys, and these 3 will be getting the t-shirt and a coffee mug as a swag. Okay, let me just stop the screen recording first. Okay, so guys, these were the 3 lucky winners from the list of participants, and as you have already checked, the process was so transparent. We have used Google Wheel of Names. Okay, but guys, apart from these 3 lucky winners, there were some people who were showing love, who were supporting us over the internet. They were following us on Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn. They were sharing our posts, they were liking our tweets. So I have decided to do 5 more giveaways of the coffee mug to those people. So this is my way to say thank you to them, and I will be sending you the swags. I will be sending the swag of coffee mug, and I will be messaging you on Twitter for the address personally. So there will be 5 more swags, guys, and stay tuned on Twitter also, because I will be reaching you out directly on Twitter. Okay, so guys, that is it for today, and I hope you enjoyed the giveaways. I hope you liked them. Please don't forget to share it on social media and keep supporting us. I'll see you in the next one, guys. Thanks for watching.